I'm Gammons Radliff. We're at Jayflora Flower Farm, and we are a cut flower farm and event design studio. So we have a couple of different avenues. Our main business is wedding and event design. We also have a roadside stand. We do workshops in our studio, and we also have a CSA. Everything I can grow in New York, I grow it. Dahlias are a big specialty one. Lisianthus, peonies in the springtime is number one. But anything you can think of that can grow here, we'll grow it. I love being outside. I love the hard work. I love cutting flowers. I love arranging flowers. There isn't much I don't love about it. I mean, it's a lot of work. It's very stressful, but I wouldn't change anything for the world. I love the area. I grew up here. I love the Fonda School District. I want to raise my babies here. I don't know. I just absolutely love the change of seasons, and it's constantly changing and beautiful, and I couldn't picture my life anywhere else.